Hello everyone and welcome back to this training session. So in this session I would like to practically demonstrate how we can set up a Apache Spark in our local system. So technically there is some steps we need to follow, and if you follow technically this step in a correct manner or chronological order, then you will be find no issue to set up a Apache Spark cluster. So I would like to request you to all of you that you must watch full videos and don't miss any steps to avoid any confusion. So first of all, the first thing is that Apache Spark is run on Java. Apache Spark is developed under the Java framework, so you need a Java JVM or JRE, so you can say. So Java version must be 8 and above for that. So for seeing that you have a Java, so you need to actually write Java hyphen F version, and then you have a Java version. If you see that Java is installed, then fine. If it's not installed, so please do install Java first, set their environment variable or like other variables like Java home variable. So first you need to make sure that you have a Java should be properly set up on your local machine. So once you did the Java machine setup, then you can come in on this side and click on download page or download button. Then you will forward it to the download page, and you have a different release of the Java 3.4, 3.2. This is a new one, June 23 and August 21. So I have already downloaded this version, so I am going with this. For this, actually once you change it to, you see that this type of file is changing. So if I see that Spark 3. This is a zip file, actually we need to download it. So first when we download it, let me show. So here I downloaded the file, then I need to extract this file or unzip files. Then we have a extracted folder here created, like whatever the name you want, it doesn't matter. Spark 3.1, 3.3.1 bin Hadoop. Maybe you can shorten the name as per your convenience. So after that, actually you need to define a path for that, same path in an environment variable. And the park is Spark home. You must keep the name of the environment variable name Spark home, where you have a path of the folder where you have extracted the file. So this is the first step, and the second step is you need a Hadoop as well. So in Hadoop, actually you need a win utils dot executable file, and this file, if you don't have, then you can download it from Git. And this is a GitHub page where you can down win utils, and based on your version you can go and download your utils. Let me uh, explain you how you can see your version. So if you see that if I select Spark 3.4.1, then pre-built for Apache Hadoop 3.3 or later, you need to use Hadoop 3.3 or maybe later version. So and here is your gate. So I need to find out, okay, 2.6. So this will work for you, and let me go in this way, in this directory. And then you have a win utils command. So you need to download it on your PC like local disk, and it should be download Hadoop under bin and then your winutils.exe file. And once you download it, then again you need to create Hadoop underscore home variable name, okay, and then path C Hadoop where you have installed your Hadoop. It not necessary it should be a C drive, it could be a D drive, E drive, whatever drive you want, but it should be like Hadoop and not bin, okay, keep in mind. So this is a third step you need to follow. Once you have install download Java install, Spark Home installed, and Hadoop has been configured with the environment variable, then you may come to the Apache Spark, and you need to check Spark hyphen shell. So you need to open any job. Let me, I am breaking this job, so I am going to run this job. So it will make time 3.31 version is showing version 3.31, because I already told you in my earlier conversation that I am going to use 3.33, so that's why it's showing me the respective version. So it's going to connecting, and which what is mean that once is showing a Spark version 3.31, which mean that its cluster is now created and open, and now Scala command is available. Actually, Scala is a language where you can write a Spark command, but for our learning purpose we will not use Scala. We will use Python, because we all know about Python. If you don't know about Python, so you can follow my free trainings videos in a Python. I have already developed Python tutorial for you, so you can refer this video, and uh, uh, you can take benefit from them. So in the next video I will explain how we can use Spark, or what is Spark actually, what is the data frame, what is the other things in the Spark. So I hope, so see you on the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video.